Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
I haven't seen you for 6 months. How are you doing?
Muxuu dheh?
wuxuu dhahay 6 months muu ku arkin sidee baa tahay?
Hooyo waxaa ku dhahdaa waa fiicanahay.
She's good.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's really great to hear. What brings you in today?
maanta maxaa joogtaa?
Maanta maxaa u joogaa? Waxaa ku dhahdaa hooyo ruuxaana igu soo booday.
Maxaa ruuxaan?
Ruuxaana igu soo booday. Waxaa ku dhahdaa waxaa arkaa dad iyo waxa igu dhex jiro. Dhabarku iga galay, inta meelaha lagu iga galay, ruuxaana igu soo booday.
I think she's saying something or some bodies inside her, in her back, in her legs. They're people. Dad ku dhex jiro?
Ha, ruuxaan ma kasaysid?
She says something. Ruhan, there are people inside her.
Ruuxaan wax dadka ku boodo waay.
They jump in her.
Jiro waay. It's the
sickness.
You Ruhan. You know Ruhan?
So, what do you mean there's people inside? I mean, I don't understand when she says there's people inside her. I mean, is it like something that happens every day? Is it something is it continuous every once in a while? How often?
سؤال بدنا كورسادي وحو دهي can you repeat that again, the first part?
Yeah, I mean, how often does she get? Because I've never seen a case like, I've never seen like an incident like this where someone comes to the doctor and says, I have things inside me. I mean, so I'm trying to get a feel of, maybe it could be some sort of a chronic illness or something that's that can be treated with medicine. So I'm trying to figure out how often does she get this?
meeqa shay ku dhaca?
Maxay u dhacay?
Dadka ku galayo.
Ruuxaantu way igu soo booday. Way igashay.
Haye laakiin meeqa shay
markaan socdo oo meelaha marmaro oo iska socdo badada arkaa.
Maya.
Waxa arkaa dad waxa iida taagana arkaa.
Hooyo
wuxuu igu soo booday ruuxaan.
meeqa shay hal mise laba shay.
Waa igu jira.
I think
Ruuxaana igu jirto. You know Ruuxaan is
in her at all times.
Here.
Huh?
One day it just jumped in her at all times.
Daraadu igu soo booday.
It's continuous.
3 days ago.
So let me write that. Okay, how do you spell that?
Spell what?
What's the word?
Ruuxaanta.
Can you spell that for me?
Waa ruuxaan.
Okay, Roxanne.
Ruuxaanta.
Let me Roxanne. Okay.
Roxanne.
So Roxanne, let me say, okay, all times.
It's both. Ugu soo booda.
It does jumping jacks.
War ugu soo
Jumping jacks.
You know Ruhan? You don't know Ruhan? Ruhanta.
I'm trying to get a few.
Waa ligu jiraa.
Okay, so I have that noted. I'd like to know if there's anything else bothering you. Is there anything else wrong?
wax kale qalb mukaayah
maxaa wax qalad ma imigeeyay ruuxaanta
wax kale ma jirtaa
ha waraabo waa qaba waraabo
baa qabta
ha waraabo
she has big cats like hyenas
ha waraabo ana waraabo qaba
She has hyena?
She has it. She says
she has
she's a hyena.
Let me note that. So she says
I have whatever. You know whatever?
She has hyena.
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever a hyena.
Yes, whatever.
Okay, let me write that down. So there's hyena inside her, outside her, bothering her. Is she seeing visions? Is she seeing visions of hyenas?
Muku dahshira, banak maku arta, muku hirota.
waraabo waad qabaa waligee waa haysta waraabo marka dhashay waraabo waa lagu sheegay Soomaalida waxay u sheegeen waraabo waa qabtaa waraabo waa qabaa
She was told when she was born that she has hyenas.
So she has hyena, okay.
She was born, it came with her.
waraabo waa lagu dhashaa waraabo
Okay.
way qabtaa ayada kala qabtaa waraabo
Hoy, I don't have hyenas. What are you talking about?
She have waraabo. You know waraabo? The waraabo?
No, Fadumo, I don't know what hyena or what's the word for it?